Good morning, grade one. Wish you are all fine. Today we'll have a science session. And at the beginning of the session, let's revise what we have covered last week. Last week, we have spoken about the groups of animals, and we said that we have different groups of animals and they are not like each other. We started with the first group of animal. We said that it's mammal. Repeat after me, mammal. Mammal. Mammal has hair or fur. Mammal has hair or fur. Mammal give birth. Mammal give birth. The baby mammal drinks milk from their mother. The baby mammal drinks milk from their mother. One more time. We spoke about the first group of animal and it is a mammal. Mammal has hair or fur. Mammal has hair or fur. Mammal gives birth. Mammal gives birth. The baby mammal drinks milk from their mother. The baby mammal drinks milk from their mother. Example of mammals that have hair or fur. We have a cat. We have a dog, a bear. We have lion, tigers, cheetah, zebra, donkey, horse. Any animal that has hair or fur, it is a mammal. Please repeat after me. Mammal, mammal, mammal has hair or fur. Mammal has hair or fur. Mammal gives birth. Mammal gives birth. The baby mammal drinks milk from their mother. The baby mammal drinks milk from their mother. And we have spoken about the different kinds of mammals. And you are mammal. Why? Because you have hair and you grow inside your mom's body. Okay, and you used to drink milk from your mom. So you are mammal. Okay, طيب. Last session, we have spoken about the second group of animal, and it's called reptile. Repeat after me, reptile, reptile. Reptile has dry, scaly skin, and I draw this while I showed you the meaning of reptile, that your body is going up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, reptile has dry, scaly skin. Reptile has dry, scaly skin. Most reptiles walk on four legs. He didn't say all the reptiles have four legs. No, because most or some reptiles, they have no legs. Okay, so here he said most reptiles walk on four legs. We cannot say all the reptiles have four legs. Okay, one more time. Reptile has dry, scaly skin. Reptile has dry, scaly skin. Most reptiles walk on four legs. Reptile lay eggs. Reptile lay eggs. We said that the mammal gives birth, okay, because the baby is growing inside the mother's body. But here, for the reptiles, they lay eggs, okay? They lay eggs. They don't have babies inside their tummies, okay? So from the beginning, reptile, reptile, reptile has dry, scaly skin. Reptile has dry, scaly skin. Most reptiles walk on four legs. Most reptiles walk on four legs. Reptiles lay eggs. Reptiles lay eggs. Reptiles lay eggs. Examples of reptiles, they are like alligator, crocodile, snake, turtle, lizard, okay, dinosaurs. They are all examples of reptiles because they have dry, scaly skin. Because they have dry, scaly skin. Their body is going up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, and they walk on four legs. Not all the reptiles, but most of the reptiles walk on four legs, and reptiles lay eggs. The lizard is reptile. The turtle is reptile. The iguana is reptile. The dinosaur is reptile. The sea turtle is reptile. But please don't tell me that the frog is a reptile, because the frog is not a reptile. No, Miss Angie, the frog is a reptile. No, the frog belongs to another group of animals that's totally different from reptiles. Okay, and we will talk about it later. So one more time, reptile has dry, scaly skin. Most reptiles walk on four legs. Reptiles lay eggs. And we said the snake is a reptile, the iguana is reptile, the turtle is reptile, the sea turtle is reptile, the lizard is reptile. Okay, I wish that you understood the difference between mammals and reptiles. They are very easy. You will find that the body of the mammal, it's very soft because it's hairy, but the reptile, it's very, very dry and very hard, okay, because they don't have hair or fur like mammals. Now I have an activity that I want to do it with you. Let's share it. Here is telling you, is showing you the picture of the lion, and the lion is, I hear someone is saying mammal. Yes, excellent. The lion is mammal because it has hair or fur, as you can see. Here we have the snake. The snake is a reptile. Miss Angie, you said most reptiles walk on four legs, but the snake doesn't have four legs. Yes, the snake doesn't have any legs. And remember, I said most reptiles walk on four legs. I didn't say the whole reptiles walk on four legs. So take care of this part. Right. Let's do this activity together. Here also is giving you more examples of mammals. The dog is mammal, the elephant is mammal, and the polar bear is mammal. Here, let's do it together. You have to drag and drop, the right picture in the box. Here is asking you, which one is a reptile? The cow or the snake? Which one is reptile? Which one has dry, scaly skin? Which one lays eggs? Yes, excellent. The snake is a reptile. So there is a problem with my box here, but it's okay. No problem. We will put it behind the box. Okay, so the snake is the reptile. So he's asking you here, which one is a reptile? The snake is reptile. Okay, next. Which one is a mammal? Which one is a mammal? The dog or the crocodile? Here we have the mammal. We said mammal has hair or fur. Mammal gives birth. The baby mammal drinks milk from their mother. Which one is a mammal? Yes, excellent. The dog is mammal. Thank you, grade 1. Next. Which one is a reptile? The fox or the sea turtle? Which one has dry, scaly skin? Which one has four legs? Which one lays eggs? Yes, I hear someone is saying the sea turtle. Yes, the sea turtle, okay, is a reptile here. Let's put it here. Because the sea turtle is a reptile. Okay, do we have more slides? No. Okay, this was the first activity. Let's do the second one. Here, number 1 is asking you which one is a mammal, the cow or the snake? Yes, the cow is a mammal. Thank you. But the snake is reptile. Good job. Next, which one is a mammal, the dog or the alligator? Yes, the dog is a mammal because it has hair or fur. It gives the birth, and the baby dogs drink milk from their mother. Which one of these two animals is a mammal? The turtle or the fox? Excellent. The fox is a mammal because it has hair or fur. Which animal do you think is a mammal? Excellent. The horse is a mammal, but it doesn't want to be dragged down because it has hair or fur and it gives birth, and the baby horse drinks milk from their mother. The last one, which one of these animals is a mammal? This is a lizard or the bear. The bear is a mammal. Okay, grade 1. So these two activities, they were done to differentiate between mammals and reptiles. I think now you can differentiate between reptiles and mammals. Okay, we said reptile has dry, scaly skin. Reptile has dry, scaly skin. Most of the reptiles walk on 4 legs. Most of the reptiles walk on 4 legs. Reptiles lay eggs. Reptiles lay eggs. One more time. Reptiles lay eggs. Okay. طيب. Let's start with the third group of animals. Okay. And it is called bird, or this is the birds group. Okay. What is the bird group? Any animal that's flying, okay, but not all the animals, of course, but all of the animals that have feathers or wings, they are belonging to the bird groups, okay, or the bird group. So we have finished mammal, we have finished reptile, and we will start with the bird group. We said mammal has hair or fur. Mammal has hair or fur. Mammal gives birth. Mammal gives birth. The baby mammal drinks milk from their mother. The baby mammal drinks milk from their mother. We have spoken about reptile, and we said reptile has dry, scaly skin. Reptile has dry, scaly skin. Most of the reptiles walk on 4 legs. Reptiles lay eggs. Reptiles lay eggs. Okay, now we will start with the third group of animals, which is the bird groups. Okay, what does the bird have? Bird has feather and wings. Bird has feather and wings. These are the feathers and these are the wings. Bird has feather and wings. Bird has feather and wings. Bird has feather and wings. Birds lay eggs. Birds lay eggs. Birds lay eggs. One more time. What does the bird group have? Bird has feather and wings. Bird has feather and wings. Bird lay eggs. Bird lays eggs. Okay, all the birds lay eggs. They don't give birth like mammals. Bird lays eggs. One more time. Bird has feather and wings. Bird has feather and wings. Bird lay eggs. Bird lays eggs. Right. How do they eat their food? Here we have the mother bird finds food for their kids. Okay, they find food for their kids. The mother starts to fly to look for food to feed its babies. Okay, so it picks the food with its beak and put it in its mouth and start to feed its baby, as you can see in this picture. Okay, so today we'll speak about bird. We said bird has feather and wings. Bird has feather and wings. Birds lay eggs. Bird lays eggs. The mother bird finds food for their babies or for their kids because they don't drink milk from their mother like the mammals. One more time. Bird has feather and wings. Bird has feather and wings. Bird lays eggs. Bird lays eggs. The mother bird finds food for their babies. The mother bird finds food for their babies. One more time. Bird has feather and wings. Bird has feather and wings. Bird lays eggs. Bird lays eggs. The mother bird finds food for their babies. The mother bird finds food for their babies. Okay, type. I want examples of birds. One of the example of birds, the hen is a bird, the duck is a bird, the owl is a bird. Okay, the ostrich is a bird. Okay, we have different examples of birds. Okay, the goose is a bird. Okay, the parrot is a bird, the canary is a bird. So we have different examples of birds. And I want you also to think about more examples of birds. One more time, today we speak about birds. Bird has feather and wings. Bird has feather and wings. Bird lays eggs. Bird lays eggs. Bird lays eggs. The mother bird finds food for their babies. The mother bird finds food for their babies. One more time. Bird has feather and wings. Bird has feather and wings. Bird lays eggs. Birds lay eggs. The mother birds find food for their babies. Okay. Thanks, grade one, for watching. I wish that you enjoyed our session for today. Thank you so much and see you next week. Bye.